Okay, welcome to geometry class. I'm super excited to be here with you guys. I am simultaneously getting to do some of my favorite proofs in all of geometry class with you, proving triangles congruent, while also collaborating with some of my nerdy colleague math teachers across the state of Ohio. Technology is amazing, let me tell you. So, just to get started, there's a couple things I wanted to go over that I ran out of time to say yesterday. So if you have not already gone over your homework worksheet, I'd like you to pause this video and go over the answers. My substitute should have the answers to the shortcuts worksheet from yesterday where you were just identifying the congruent shortcuts. So please have him or her read through the answers. And if you guys could help each other out, I'm asking for student volunteers to kind of jump to the board. If you can explain one to a classmate, something that somebody's confused on, that would be great if you understand what you're doing. Okay? We should have a pretty good idea of how to identify the shortcuts to be successful with what I'm going to show you for today, which is basically turning these into proofs, where the shortcut is going to be the final reason. And if you get that wrong, you're probably going to have stuff wrong leading up to that. Okay? Once you have gone over the homework, I want you to have 3 papers in front of you. Okay, the first one should be your DPPT sheet for this chapter, which is green. As a substitute, if you have not gotten that yet, you should be able to fill out on your DPPT sheet the front side and the first 4 on the back side based on what we've done so far. So just kind of as a review over the next few days or over the weekend, take a little bit of time and fill that out. I think it will help you, especially the stuff that we did yesterday, to go ahead and read through the postulates and theorems, which we're calling shortcuts. In your book, they're in sections 4.4 and 4.5. The rest of it's in the prior sections 4.1 to 4.3. Along with that, you should have gotten a white paper that has your objectives listed for chapter 4. And I had wanted to give this to you yesterday also and ran out of time. But go ahead and have a quick read through that. I've also got them on the board here. And I wanted to mention that you can expect to have a Chapter 4 Part 1 test next Wednesday, so that's a week from yesterday, over everything we've done so far, plus I'm adding what I'm adding today and tomorrow. Okay? So you have essentially Objective A was all Section 4.1. That was page 240 in your textbook. Section 4.2 was looking at the triangle theorems, page 250. And then understanding congruence, that was all section 4.3 from Monday, page 259. Okay, I know we didn't get to go through the answers to the homework yesterday, so I did go ahead and post all of the answers, even the odd ones. I typed them up for you. They're all on my website, right on the course announcements page. So that is your responsibility over the next 3 or 4 days. By Monday, when you come to class, you should have checked those thoroughly. I am going to collect those on Wednesday when you take your assessment. I'm going to collect all 3 of those homeworks in addition to the proofs that you're doing over the next 2 days. And I am going to expect that they're correct because you have the answers. I will give you a chance on Monday to ask any questions that you have. So please mark them, highlight them, something so that you know exactly where you're stuck if you're not able to figure it out on your own or by asking somebody else. Okay, I'm also going to mention that if you are confused on any of this and just haven't had the chance to ask me questions, because I haven't been here a lot, you should maybe look into going to the math lab after school. Mrs. Tolarczyk is in there. She's one of the 3 honors geometry teachers. So any day except for next Thursday, we have a staff meeting. If you want to go today, tomorrow, Monday would be great to get a little bit of extra help on this. Okay, just a quick intro to what we're going to be doing today then. We're going to be building off of what we did yesterday. Yesterday we worked through Objective D, sort of establishing the 5 congruent shortcuts for triangles, and then you were looking at distinguishing between them on the homework. We're going to get into using those 5 shortcuts to actually prove 2 triangles congruent. These are going to look just like any other proofs we've done, writing a full 2-column proof. And then tomorrow you will be looking at proving other things congruent by using congruent triangles. So we're going to focus today just on objective E, and then we'll tackle objective F tomorrow. Okay, I can't take any questions, obviously, because I'm not here, but I'd like you to go ahead and organize yourself, put those papers away, and you need one more worksheet, and that would be your worksheet that says 4.4, 4.5 practice B, and pick up with me on the back side. Question number 7, where it asks you to complete a proof for each problem, and go ahead and find my next video. Pick up with me on question 7 with a blank sheet of paper that you can work on to complete the proof with me.